Okay, so, sorry. Ayan. So, welcome po everyone. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, wherever you are. Tayo po, yung composition po ng mga attendees natin for tonight is worldwide. We have people I saw from Europe, from United Kingdom. Meron po tayong galing sa France. Meron tayong galing sa Asia. We have people po from Vietnam. Meron tayong mga nasa Saipan, meron tayong nasa anong tawag mo dito? Meron tayong nasa Canada. So, worldwide po tayo, yung grupo po natin. So, I will present po sa inyo ang ating programa called Origin. So, Origin is a DeFi 3.0 privacy and anonymity protocol. Ano pong ibig sabihin ng DeFi? It is in the decentralized finance space. Yung pong space ng blockchain and the cryptocurrency. So, medyo technical po ito ng konti because we are dealing with blockchain terminologies po. Kaya, pero this is the best today na gagalawan po natin. So, bakit? Because it is anonymous, meaning gumagalaw po tayo nang walang nakikialam tayo, and then hindi tayo kilala, wala po tayong KYC dito, and it is autonomous. You can be the fund manager of your account. So yun po yung gustong-gusto ko sa ganito mga programa kasi wala po tayong CEO, wala po tayong company, there's nobody na nakikialam po sa ginagawa natin, and it's going to be lasting. So it can last as long as the internet and the blockchain is there. Yan po yung ganda ng Origin LGNS as a program. So yun po yung excited po ako na i-present sa inyo. Ang Origin LGNS po is a Web3 staking decentralized income source. So anong ibig sabihin? Yung Origin po ay isang smart contract po yan. So these are algorithm. It is a program na ginawa nila, panay codes po yan, and it was deployed in the blockchain, yung Polygon blockchain po. So where everybody can join if they have their Web3 wallets. Ano po yung Web3 wallets? These are wallets like MetaMask, Trust Wallet, SafePal. Itong mga wallets na ito po ay non-custodial, meaning wala pong nakikialam sa atin. Atin yun. We own our security phrases, we own our private keys. So atin po yun. Tayo lang ang makakabukas, tayo lang ang makakakita. Unless ibigay nyo po yung password nyo, yung mga private key nyo to other people and so they could open your accounts. So be very careful po. You give only yung mga key nyo to people you trust para po hindi nawawala yung account nyo. So, but very careful po kayo doon dahil pag nawala din naman po yun, hindi nyo na itago ng tama, hindi nyo na po mabubuksan yung wallet nyo. So, therefore, in this programs na gumagamit tayo ng Web3 wallets, everything must be written and kept in safe places para po hindi nawawala. Because this is staking. So, ang ginagawa po natin sa Origin ay staking. Ano naman yung staking? Ang staking po is like savings. So kung bangko yan, centralized po ang bangko, nagsisave ka po, naglalagay ka ng pera mo, hoping that it would earn some money. Pero alam po natin kung ano po yung regulation sa bangko. If you save money sa banks, they use it to earn their money. Pinapautang po nila sa mga tao, may yung mga loan po ng car, yung mga loan ng bahay, etc. And they earn a lot of money from your money. Pero ikaw po, annual ka lang, mga less than 1%. So dito naman sa decentralized space, yung mga katulad ng blockchain space and the cryptocurrency, dito po yung staking po, sarili natin. We own it, tayo po. So walang third party na nakikialam. Therefore, yung mga profits po, papunta talaga lahat sa atin. Magbibigay lang tayo ng konti doon sa transaction sa ledger in the blockchain. Sila po kasi nag-a-approve yung blockchain. computer nodes ang nag-a-approve. So therefore, there are processing fee ng maliit lang, transaction fee para mag-go through ang mga transaction. But in totality, yung earnings po sa staking, 100% pumupunta po sa atin. So in Origin, napakaganda po ng programa ng Origin. Sa tagal ko na po, I've been in the industry of the cryptocurrency or the decentralized space since 2015 po. So far, yung Origin LGNS na staking protocol ay pinakamaganda po. Bakit? Kasi po yung staking natin dito, it earns every 8 hours. Compounded to your capital. Matindi po ito. Yung compounding, that is the 8th wonder of the world. So yung kinikita mo every 8 hours, dumadagdag yan sa iyong kapital. And then, yung computation po ng 0.3% on the next 8 hours is higher kasi malaki na yung capital mo. So yung kinikita mo, yung kinita mo ngayon, yung kikitain mo after 8 hours, mas malaki kaysa yung kinita mo ngayon. At yung kikitain mo on the next another 8 hour is bigger than the kinita mo on the next 8 hour. So every time kumikita ka, palaki ng palaki po yung kita mo because your profits are compounding on your capital. Matindi po ito pag nakita niyo po ito. At saka yung feeling po natin dito sa Origin staking, ano po, parang cool, wala kang problema, wala kang ginagawa. But you earn that money even if you sleep every 8 hours. So, wala po itong lapsation, walang time frame, walang lock period. At the same time, the contract that you have, it is a smart contract, it is renounced. So, may explain ko po kung ano yung sinasabi ko. This is a crypto innovation that puts financial wellness in your hands. So, let me discuss kung paano po nag-work ang Origin LGNS as a program. So, ito po sinabi ko kanina is a smart contract. Ano ba yung smart contract? A lot of people doesn't understand a smart contract that is being deployed in the blockchain. So, marami pong klase ng smart contract. Merong mga smart contract na bukas. Yung kayang buksan ng developer. Yun yung may mga backdoor. Meron silang honeypot. So, marami po sa mga nauunang mga ginawang kontrata in the blockchain na pag dumadami po ang laman ng kontrata, yung creator po or the developer can open that smart contract at nililimas po nila ang laman ng kontrata. That's why marami pong nagka-scam po sa atin during the previous years na nakialam po tayo sa blockchain. Di pa natin naintindihan. Pero now we know better. Ano yung requirements such that yung smart contract na sasamahan mo ay magtatagal at walang maglilimas ng pera na nasa loob ng smart contract. So, ito po, ang smart contract is a digital vending machine that runs on blockchain. You put something, naglalagay ka ng pera or crypto, and if the right conditions are met, it automatically does what it's programmed to do. So no person needed to approve it or run it. So ang ibig sabihin nito, ang smart contract po is an algorithm. It is a series of codes. It's a program na kung saan pag may ginawa kang action, kunwari, nabubuksan lang po natin yung smart contract via Web3 interface doon po sa browser. So, pag po may ginawa tayong action, nag-click tayo ng ating functionality, then the smart contract, because of its programming, will execute yung ginagawa po natin na functionality in the Web3 wallet. Ganun po ang smart contract. So, exacting po siya. That means ginawa po siya ng eksakto and whatever yung mga circumstances, gagalaw po yung smart contract na yon to execute kung anong gusto mong pagawa sa kanya based on the program na nakikita po natin doon sa Web3 wallets in the browser. So yan po. So it is a self-executing agreement built with code instead of people. You can trust it, it is automatic, and it is tamper-proof. Wala pong nakikialam. Specifically, the Origin LGNS smart contract is renounced. Meaning, sarado po siya. Hindi na pwedeng balikan niya ng mga gumawa. Hindi na yan mabubuksan. At wala po siyang termination. It's going to run. As long as there is internet and there is blockchain, it's going to run for the longest time. Kaya napakaganda po nito. Ngayon, paano tayo nakarating dito sa Origin? Yung background po nito, ano po, matagal na. Yung gumawa po nito are the same programmers and creators na gumawa po ng Olympus. So Olympus is another program po na ang kanyang coin, ang token niya ay OHM, OHM. At ginawa po yan in March of 2021. So it's been 4 years and it's still running until today. So the same people, ang Olympus po, nilagay nila yan sa Ethereum blockchain. So yung Ethereum blockchain ay napakabagal na po ang andar. At the same time, very costly ang transaction fee. Kaya nung tinitingnan ng mga developers, hindi mabilis ang growth dito sa Olympus kasi hindrance nila yung mataas na fee. At one point, sumama po ako sa isang smart contract na niran nila sa Ethereum at yung fee, inaabot po kami $40. Mas malaki pa yung fee namin kaysa yung kinikita namin. Kaya tumigil po kami lahat doon dati. Not because the program doesn't work. It works. Ang problema namin, yung fee, ang kalaki-laki. So now, nung nakita ito ng mga developers ng Olympus, sabi nila, why not we do a similar program at ilalagay natin sa blockchain na mabilis, which is the Polygon blockchain. Mabilis siya, napakamura ng kanyang transaction fee. 2 cents lang yata ang transaction fee. So, ang difference ulit ng Olympus, wala siyang compensation structure. So, ang ginawa nila, nung nag-deploy sila ng panibago, lagyan na natin to ng compensation structure so that when people join and they love what they're doing, they can share it to more people and they earn more money. So, yun ang goal ng mga gumawa nito. So, dineploy nila yan. Ni-renounce nila yan. So, yung LG Origin is a sister program of Olympus, which is still ongoing until today. So, that should give us yung track record ng mga developers na to, na hindi sila yung fly-by-night na nawawala sila. So, yung LGNS, ay yung Origin, is now more than 1 year, 15 months. It started in March 7 of 2024. So from then on until today, it's going stronger every time. So ipapakita ko po sa inyo kung gaano siya ka-strong. So ano ang goal ng ating Origin? To become anonymous and autonomous. Diniscuss ko po kanina. So doon po kasi sa cryptocurrency like Bitcoin, hindi po yun anonymous. Kasi lahat ng transaction natin sa Bitcoin nakikita po sa Blockchain Explorer. Nakikita po nila yung itong wallet na to, naglabas ng $100,000, naglabas ng 1 million, ganun. Nakikita po. It is open to public. The ledger is open to public. So ang gagawin, ang gusto mangyari ng Origin, na we will be discreet. Kung ikaw ay account holder ng Origin, hindi ka makikita. You become anonymous and autonomous. So kaya mong galawin ang sarili mo nang wala nakikialam na hindi ka nila nakikita, which is nice. That's what I love about the decentralized space. Hindi po nila nakikita, walang amla-amla po dito. Kasi hindi nila nakikita. If you transact million every time, hindi po nakikita yan. There is no central authority na nakakakita ng ginagawa natin in the decentralized space. Kaya ang ganda pong gumalaw sa decentralized space. So I love it. Kaya napapunta po ako. Dati po, 20 years akong nasa wellness. Product-based po ako. So I get to the top of product-based businesses. Ang hirap po. Pag nakarating ka sa top, babagsak ka rin. Kasi una, bilisin na bilhin product. Pag hindi kumikita ang tao, hindi na bibilin product. Hanggang maglaho na po yung income mo. Kabaliktaran po ng blockchain transactions like Origin, where you grow your money bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger every time, whether you brought people or not. Kahit mag-isa ka, kaya mo pong yumaman. Depending on the amount that you will stake. So the higher amount you stake, the more money you have. Ganun naman po ang kalakaran sa negosyo. The more you go, the bigger your results. So pag maliit, ay talaga namang aabutin ka rin ng samsyam. Maglagay ka ng $125, abutin ka ng 2 taon bago kumita ng 3.6 million pesos. Pero hindi na masama. Saan ka nakakita na 7,500 na itinago mo in 2 years ay kumita ka ng 3.6 million? Wala po. Only in Origin. So ako po, nagtatago ako ng pera sa bangko. 5 years. Wala po. Hindi man ako kumita kahit na $1,500 ay 1,500 pesos eh. So therefore, dito napakaganda po nito. Ngayon, why do we trust this contract? Because it is audited by third-party credible organizations in the blockchain space. At the same time, renounced. Yun po yung sinabi ko. Tandaan nyo, sasama lang kayo kung renounced contract, yung mga decentralized finance protocols. So, how can we sustain? Pakita ko po, ba't nasusustain ito? So, ang makakasustain because this project, the Origin LGNS, is owned by the Polygon blockchain. Ini-renounce na po ng may-ari. Wala po sila. Pero sigurado ko po, miyembro din sila. Sila yung 001 sigurado. Para kumita sila sa ginawa nila. So, and then, ano to? Ano sinasabi ko? We own. The wallet holders in Origin owns this protocol po. Tayo po. So therefore, tayo ang magbibigay ng longevity of this program. Kaya siya masusustain. Also, that the program was designed such that it's like a living program, a breathing program. Nag-a-adjust po siya, nakakatuwa pag naintindihan niyo po to. Nag-a-adjust siya by itself. Pag titingnan niyo po yung back office po natin, nagbabago yung mga figures. Yung mga ibinibigay po nila every 8 hours, nagbabago po yung reward, yield. Nagbabago yung mga annual profit yield, nagbabago po. Depending on the circumstances na nangyayari at that time. So that the contract will become healthy all the time. So, ginawa nila yan ng programa, kaya grabe yung pagkakagawa nito. Mag-a-adjust siya para siya mabuhay, para siya maging healthy, para tumagal ang kanyang buhay. Kaya ang ganda, you are in a very good program with Origin po. So, ayan, tingnan natin. So, what makes this different? Sinabi ko na po, it is running, the initial project na ginawa ng mga developers is still running for 4 years without a company. Itong atin is 15 months. There is no CEO, no headquarters, no administrator. So today, the liquidity pool is million. So ipapakita ko po sa inyo ang live. So ito, mga 1 week ago na po ito. So ang maganda po dito, it is a verified, audited, and renounced contract. You can withdraw, itong malupit po dito sa Origin. You can withdraw anytime. In 30 seconds nasa wallet mo po, you can withdraw including your capital. Kung naglagay ka ngayon kunwari ng $5,000, bukas sabi mo ay ayoko na pala, i-withdraw mo. In less than 30 seconds nasa wallet mo na po, ilagay mo na ulit sa exchange. Ganun katindi po ito. Wala siyang lock-in, wala siyang, grabe po ito. There is also optional reward and bonus pools. Mamaya discuss ko po. All this without any human control or intervention whatsoever. So, ito po yung Olympus. Makikita niyo po sa DEX tools. Ang Olympus po is existing. Ang presyo po niya $19.85 ang isa. OHM po yung kanyang token. So, naka-pair din yan sa DAI. Pero tingnan niyo po, napakaliit po ng community. 8,000 wallet holders only. So, kaya mabagal po yan. Kaya sila naggawa ng LGNS. Now, let's look at LGNS today. Ito po, 6:36 p.m. ko kanina bago ako nag-present. Kinuhanan ko po ito. Tingnan niyo po, ang LGNS natin 16.65 ang value nung oras ng ang oras ng 6:36 p.m. today. 16.65 po. Grabe po. Mataas po yan. Mataas na. I think all-time high for itong mga panahon na ito, ang 16.65. So kung titingnan niyo po itong kanyang ito yung kanyang statistics para makita po natin yung health ng ating programa. Ito po, ang liquidity po natin $189 million. So ito po yung ginagamit ng kontrata, gumagalaw. Yan po yung kaya nakakabigay siya ng 0.3% every 8 hours. Yan po. So saan galing yan? Galing sa atin. Sa atin na mga wallet holders, because we stake, and then pagka tayo po ay nag-withdraw, meron po mga fee, it goes back to the liquidity pool. Ganun po, meron po tayong bayad pag tayo nag-withdraw, 5%. And all of those amounts, bumabalik po siya sa liquidity pool. Pagkatapos po yung iba, because there is a compensation structure, pag hindi po sila kumikita doon sa compensation, wala pong pinupuntahan yung pera. It goes back to the contract, doon sa liquidity. Kaya po sustainable siya. Kasi pag kunwari yung downline ko, hindi siya kumita, hindi po pupunta sa akin yung kikitain niya dapat. Pupunta siya sa kontrata. So, there is no pass-up income. Kaya po nasusustain ng program yung kanyang pagbibigay ng profits sa mga stakeholders. So, titingnan niyo po itong holders, 824,000 wallet holders in just 15 months. Alam niyo po, massive po ito. Ito po ay amazing result po sa isang smart contract. Kasi bago lumaki po ng 1.5 billion market cap, tingnan niyo po ang market cap, 1.5 billion. Bago lumaki yan in an ordinary smart contract, abutin po yan 3 to 4 years. Ito 15 months, 1.58 billion dollars ang ating market cap. Market cap is the circulating LGNS in the market at the current market value. So, tingnan niyo po yung yung ating 24-hour volume, yung galaw ng buy and sell. $21.6 million. 24-hour transaction. Makikita niyo po dito, ayan Ayan. Yung buying po natin halos mas malaki kaysa sa selling natin. Hindi ko na-capture. So, pwede natin buksan, makikita nyo po. Buksan nyo po sa dextools.io. Makikita nyo po yung galaw ng mga buy and sell. Okay? So, ayan. Ito yung mga nag-certify that the Origin Smart Contract is really a reliable, very strong contract. So, ito pong dalawa, si CertiK. Si CertiK po, these are two global authoritative bodies in the blockchain space. So ito pong CertiK, tinignan niya po yung kontrata. Sinertify niya po yung contract, inaudit niya, nakita niya na tama, totoo yung mga sinabi. Ito namang Armors, chinek po niya yung treasury. Tinignan niya kung may pera ba talaga, may nakikreate ba talaga doon, kaya ba niya magbayad. At yun po, pinakita nila yung strength with absolute authority. So, Origin is globally recognized as a leading autonomous privacy public chain with 137 sets of open source smart contracts. Yung 137 sets, yan po ang gumagalaw. Yan po yung nag-uusap para nag-a-adjust yung Origin program depending on what is happening in the community. So open source meaning anybody can check yung smart contract na yan. Pero they cannot open it, they cannot get the money. Ganun po ang ibig sabihin niyan. So, ito pa rin, yung AVE. Isa rin yan sa certifying body, verifier. Verify po niya na yung Origin is actually a renounced contract. You cannot modify. So, the owner cannot tamper with the balance. Hindi po kayang buksan yan. Inalis na nga nila yung kanilang authority to open the contract. Bakit? Matitempt po sila. $185 million liquidity. Pag po yan ay bukas, pag hindi yan na-renounce, kayang-kaya po nila mag-pull out ng $1 million ng walang nakakakita, walang nakakaramdam. So inalis po nila yung ability nila na magkaroon sila ng, anong tawag mo doon, yung pag-iisip, pagnanasa na makakuha ng pera out of that smart contract. So the admin privileges were abandoned. Inabando na nila yung kanilang pag-aari doon sa Origin as a smart contract. They cannot take back that ownership. No way. So ang maganda po dito yung no trading cool down mechanism. Ibig sabihin, wala pong katapusan ito. Walang termination ang kontrata. It goes on and on until the internet stops and the blockchain stops. Pag hindi po tumitigil ang internet at saka yung blockchain, tuloy ang Origin smart contract. Okay. So ngayon, paano tayo aandar? Kailangan po natin ng Web3 wallets. Smart yung ating pong MetaMask, SafePal, Trust Wallet, pwede po yung mga yan. Pero we're using the MetaMask kasi marami po sa sumasali dito, hindi pa masyado ang kanilang pagkakaalam sa larangan ng decentralized finance. Pinakasimple pong gamitin ang MetaMask. Pero yung SafePal, I also love it. Kasi yung SafePal po, para siyang very solid yung kanyang presentation, pero medyo complicated ng konti. Marami kang pipindutin. Whereas, the MetaMask po ay ilalabas niya. If you have, say, 4 accounts, madali kang maglaro from one account to the next. Nandun na, pipindut ka lang. Sa SafePal, hindi po. Ililipat mo lang ililipat kada account. So, if you don't understand how it works, mahihirapan ka po ng konti. Pero it's a nice, it's a good Web3 wallet ang SafePal. Okay, so yan po yan. Ito pong ipinapakita ko po is the interface of the smart contract. The smart contract, hindi nyo po yan makikita, hindi nyo mahahawakan. Through the browser of the Web3 wallet, you can talk to the smart contract. Yan yung tinatawag na interface. Yung makikita nyo po sa inyong MetaMask is the smart contract. Diyan siya, diyan mo siya magagalaw. Diyan ka pwedeng mag-stake, diyan ka pwedeng mag-withdraw, diyan ka pwedeng mag-alis ng yung profits mo, yung compensation mo, lahat, everything you can do in the interface of the Web3 wallet. So yung execution naman ginagawa ng smart contract. Okay? So I hope you can visualize what I'm saying. So yun po yun. Ngayon, bukod po doon sa staking, so dito po you can be very, very passive. Pwede pong mag-isa ka lang. Tapos mag-stake ka ng pera mo and that money would earn you money every 8 hours. So, pwede po yun. Pero naglagay po din sila ng compensation structure na very simple. Dalawa nga lang eh. Pero it's very powerful. Dalawa. Una, itong spider web. Ito yung you can sponsor as many people as you can, and then if they sponsor palalim ng palalim, so we could be earning until level 15. Yan po yung spider web. Ito po yung itsura niya. So ang kinikita po natin pag nag-refer tayo, 16% of the income of that person every 8 hours. So meron po tayong kasamahan na nagsabi sa akin na ang hirap-hirap ng Origin kasi wala tayong direct referral. Alam niyo po ba yung direct referral ay minsan lamang ibibigay sa inyo? Kahit anong laki niyan. Ikakasa ko pa rin, ikukumpara ko pa rin itong Origin. Bakit? Ay 16% yan eh. Doon sa kinikita niya every 8 hours eh. I-compounding po ito. Kaya kung titingnan mo po ito, ang income dito every 8 hours doon sa in-recruit mo, hindi minsanan. For life. For as long as the internet is there, you are earning from your direct 16% of their income every 8 hours. So I don't understand kung ano yung maganda sa direct referral or income from the income of the person that you brought in the system. Magsusulat tayo para ikumpara natin, pero I'm sure ito mananalo itong Origin. And then you can earn up to level 15. 10%, 8%, 7, up to 5%. Pero, mas malaki po itong DAO reward. So, yung nagkamali po ako when I joined, wala pong nagturo kasi sa akin, ginawa ko, napakarami kong directs. Yung pala, pwede lang tayong, kung wala tayong masyadong kakilala, we can do 4 accounts. Self-referral ang tawag. Ganito yun. Ikaw, gumawa ka ng wallet pang 3, ilagay mo sa ilalim mo, and then start talking to people. Ang magre-recruit yung wallet 1, wallet 2, wallet 3. Bakit? Para po mag-create tayo ng solid 3 legs or 3 missions or 3 legs or 3 groups para po kumita tayo dito sa DAO reward. Kasi pag meron ka pong grupo, because it is compounding, the amount of the LGNS would increase day by day by day by day, whether you will like it or not. Because it is compounding, darating po yung oras na yung iyong leg 1, 2, 3, merong $50,000 in volume. So, pag nag 50,000 in volume, 3 legs mo po, you get to the VIP 1. Ang VIP 1 po, nagbibigay siya ng 1 to 5% of the volume noong grupo mo. Inaabot po yan sa mga upline natin, nagkwento sila, they're earning $10,000 to $12,000 in a month. Pero ibinibigay po yan every 8 hours. Pag tinotal mo yan, around $10,000 to $12,000, VIP 1 lang. So that's why today, because I understood, yun po yung recommendation ko na sa lahat, that you only do 3 legs and then you build from there. So, ang 3 legs mo po, makakarating ka, kapag mag-isa ka, wala kang recruit, makakarating ka hanggang VIP 5. Alam niyo po ang VIP 5? 1 million ang value ng sales nung tatlo, bawat isa. Ang ibinibigay po dyan ay 25% of the 1 million sales. Magkano yun? $250,000 isa. Eh di ang tatlong legs po ay $750,000 kada buwan. Pwera pa yung kinikita mo sa staking, personal mo yun eh. So you are increasing the value of your money and you are also receiving from the volume of the group in your leg 1, 2, 3. Ang maganda po sa DAO reward, infinity po ito. Hindi siya natatapos ng level 15, hindi. Up to infinity of your team. Matindi po ito po. Kaya, anong tawag na rin? Ako po, na-amaze po ako of this program. So, yan po. Yan ang gagawin natin. Okay? So, meron din pa po tayong bonus. Pagpapasok po ang tao, papasok niyo po dyan sa reward pool. Meron pong lottery. So, may draw. Every hour, every week, every month, may draw. Pag nanalo ka, meron kang dollar. Katulad dito, nanalo siya. 646.81. Nabunot siya. Sumali siya doon sa daily, hourly pala, hourly. Ayan, nabunot siya, 646. Makikita niyo po nabunot kayo kasi may yellow dyan, tapos may amount. Then ilalagay po nila yan sa iyong wallet. Ganon. Pero yung monthly po, inaabot po sila $100,000 ang winning ng isa. Yung the highest staker. So yan po. Yan po yung origin. It uses the power of compounding via staking. Yan po. It is so powerful yung compounding po that your 1 centavo, you double it every day. In 30 days, 1 million po yan. That's how powerful compounding is. Kaya ginamit po nila dito yan. So, ayan, I'm done with the presentation po for Origin. I'm going to show po yung ating back office, but I'm not going to record it anymore. The person who invited you would show you already how. So, pero dito po sa Zoom, I'm going to show po yung aking back office para makita po nila how it works. So, thank you very much for coming to the Zoom sa mga bago nating mga inimbita. And you get back to the person who invited you po para malinawan niyo pa po yung mga ibang kailangan niyo pong malaman. Thank you so much po.